Hey everyone, this is Brosmart back with another video. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to stick the WolTop extra PVC wallpaper sticker on any furniture. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Here is my newly painted wooden desk. I am covering it up with this furniture sticker from WolTop which I bought from Flipkart. The cost is around 250 rupees, but it may differ because I bought it on discount. After removing the plastic wrap and the tape, here is the actual product. The WolTop sticker is 45 cm in width and 600 cm in height. The sheet is thick and there's a very less chance to tear it. It looks like waterproof because there is this thick plastic cover on it. I really liked this white wooden finish design, and overall it's a great way to decorate your furniture instead of purchasing an actual expensive piece of wood or just painting the whole thing. Be very careful while sticking it, because if it sticks with another paper accidentally or with the furniture, then the whole thing will go to waste. You cannot undo this. Before peeling off the bottom layer, place it on your surface and measure the corners and sides very carefully. Clean the surface and do not paste it on moist walls or moist furnitures or furnitures with an uneven surface. Now start peeling off the bottom layer, which is the white paper, and after that stick the glued part on your table or furniture like this. Remove the big air bubbles with your hand carefully, like I am doing right now. Also, to remove the small air bubbles, use this plastic tool and knife. It is self-adhesive, so you don't have to purchase an extra bottle of glue to paste it, which is also good. The sticker looks very good on my desk, and if you stick it properly, it will look like a real wood, which is also expensive. Well, comment below how is the new desk looking. That was my video, guys. Hope this video helped you. Drop a like and subscribe to Brosmart for more interesting videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. This is Brosmart and I will catch you guys in my next video.